Harm reduction vending machines are just like a candy vending machine, but instead of candy, they are stocked with a variety of supplies to keep people healthy and safe. Each machine has slightly different inventory, but in general, you can find naloxone, the opioid overdose reversal medication, syringe kit for safer injection drug use, fentanyl test strips, safe sex kits, pregnancy tests, tampons and pads, hygiene kits, first aid kits, emergency blankets, and a freeze-dried, ready-to-eat meal. In Nevada, the vending machines are operated by Track B Exchange, a harm reduction center based in Las Vegas. There are machines in Reno, Las Vegas, and Hawthorne. Track B works with the host site to get each machine placed, stocked, and fully functioning. To find out more on the locations and hours, go to harmreductioncenterlv.com.